squared. Write that underneath to subtract. We have to subtract now. Now this is why putting the 0 helped. Change the sign. And now that's all lined up. If you hadn't put that 0 here, you'd be trying to combine these two together and you'd make a mistake. These cancel. 0 and -3 is -3. So you get -3x squared plus 8x plus 12. Okay. Next term, -3x squared over 3x. The 3's cancel, and you're left with -x. -x. You can put the 1 there if you want, but you don't have to. Now distribute times 3x plus 1. You get -3x squared minus x. Negative x times 3x is -3x squared. Negative x times 1 is minus x. Write that underneath. We're subtracting. Change the sign. They both become plus. Those cancel. 8x and x is 9x. 9x, and then bring the 12 down. Last time. 9x divided by 3x is just 3. The x's cancel, and you get a 3. Plus 3. Right. Distribute. Last time, 3x plus 1. You get 9x plus 3. Write that underneath to subtract. Change the sign. The 9x minus 9x cancels, and we're left with 9. That's our remainder. So to write our final answer, I'm going to rewrite my polynomial. 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus x plus 3 plus 9 over 3x plus 1. Right? Okay. Okay, it helps if you can see. And that is the answer to number 4. All right, we got one left, number 5. Number 5, 2x to the 4th plus 3x cubed plus 5x minus 1 divided by x squared minus 2x plus 2. So, a little more intense. A little scarier looking, huh? Same process. Don't freak out. It's just the same process. Now, again, notice 4, 3, 1. You got to put that 2 in there. So I'm going to put 0x squared because the square was missing. Okay. Now this time, what are we going to divide by? In all those others, we divided by the plane x. So this time, you think about dividing by the highest power. So we're going to do our 2x to the 4th. We're dividing by x squared. Divide by the highest power. 2x to the 4th divided by x squared is 2x squared. Remember, 4 minus 2 is 2. That's what goes up top. Okay. Now we're going to distribute, but distributing's a little harder. 2x squared, what are we multiplying 2x squared by? This whole thing. Okay. So we're going to distribute that whole thing. So you get 2x to the 4th minus 4x cubed plus 4x squared. Okay. Add your exponents. 4, 2, and 1 is 3, and then 2 times 2 is 4x squared. Write this underneath. So 2x to the 4th minus 4x cubed plus 4x squared. Change the sign. Minus, plus, minus. These cancel. 3x cubed and 4x cubed is 7x cubed. 0 minus 4 is minus 4. Oops, that's a 3. X squared plus 5x minus 1. Okay, do it again. 7x cubed is the highest power. We're dividing by the highest power on the outside, which is x squared. You get 7x. Okay, 7x. Now we're distributing 7x times the trinomial. 7x times x squared minus 2x plus 2. Distribute. 7x cubed minus 7 times 2 is 14. X times x is x squared plus 7x times 2 is 14x. We're subtracting, so we change the signs. Minus, this becomes a plus, and minus. The 7x cubes cancel. You get negative 4 and 14 is 10x squared minus 9x minus 1. All right, this is the last one we're going to do. 10x squared over x squared. Oops, can't see that, can you? 10x squared over x squared. The x squareds cancel, and you get 10. So we get plus 10. Okay. Then again, remember, we're distributing. We need to do 10 times the trinomial to put down beneath. So I'm going to show my work down here. 10 times x squared minus 2x plus 2. You get 10x squared minus 20x plus 20. That's what you're going to subtract. Put it underneath. Change the sign at the bottom. 10's cancel. You get 11x minus 21. Now, you might think you have to do it again, but this is actually your remainder. Let me show you why down here. If you do 11x over the highest power, x squared, look what happens. You end up with an x on the bottom or a negative. This is 11x to the negative 1, or